If you've recently encountered security checks on TikTok and need to restore full access to your account, follow these steps to resolve the issue effectively. Step 1. Verify your identity. Start by checking your email or phone for any verification messages from TikTok. Follow the instructions provided to verify your identity and regain access. Step 2. Update the app. Ensure that you're using the latest version of the TikTok app. Go to your device's App Store, search for TikTok, and update it if necessary. This can help resolve any bugs related to security checks. Step 3. Clear cache and data. For Android users, go to Settings, find TikTok in your apps, and clear the cache and data. For iOS users, you may need to uninstall and reinstall the app. This can help eliminate any corrupted files causing access issues. Step 4. Check account settings. Look into your TikTok account and navigate to your account settings. Ensure that your email and phone number are correctly linked and verified. If not, update them and request a new verification code. Step 5. Contact TikTok support. If you still cannot access your account after following the previous steps, reach out to TikTok's support team. Use the Report a Problem feature in the app or visit their help center online for assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to restore full access to your TikTok account after security checks. If issues persist, continue to seek help from TikTok support.